In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in Microsoft Word. If you've ever built an invoice, a budget, or a simple report right inside Word, you'll be glad to know you can calculate totals and averages without switching to a spreadsheet. The key is to work inside a table because Word's formulas operate on table cells. Start by opening Microsoft Word and creating a new or existing document. Insert a table for your data by going to the Insert tab and choosing Table, then dragging to pick the number of columns and rows you need. Type your numbers into the table cells just as you would in a grid. Keep your numeric entries clean. Avoid mixing text into the same cell with the numbers so Word can read them correctly. Click the cell where you want the result to appear. This could be the bottom of a column for a total or the end of a row if you're calculating across. When your cursor is inside the table, you'll see Table Tools appear on the ribbon. Switch to the Table Layout tab. In the Data group, click Formula. This opens the Formula dialog box. Word usually guesses what you want based on where your cursor is. For example, if your cursor is at the bottom of a column, it might suggest equal sum above. If you're at the right end of a row, it may propose equal sum left. In many cases, you can accept the suggestion and click OK to insert the result. If you need something different, use the paste function list to choose another function, such as average to find the mean of the cells, or product to multiply them. You can also guide Word on which cells to include by using directional keywords, above, below, left, or right, depending on where your numbers sit relative to the result cell. For instance, X average left averages the numbers to the left of your cursor. Before you confirm, consider the number format box. If you want your result to display as currency, a specific number of decimals, or with commas, pick a format here so the result looks polished from the start. When you edit the numbers later, the formula doesn't update automatically. To refresh it, right-click the result and choose Update Field, or select the result cell and press F9. If you have several results to refresh, you can select the table first, then press F9 to update them together. That's it. With a simple table and the formula command, you can do quick calculations right inside Word and keep your document looking clean and professional.